PARiM Mobile App Management. It's easy to manage your people with PARiM Mobile App. You have an overview of shifts and absences. You can confirm and clock in shifts at any time. In the schedule, you can manage unpublished shifts, open shifts, and so on. Open the shift request where you can publish, confirm, or unassign the shift. Tapping on the action sign, you can accept or reject applications, confirm timesheets, and approve or reject absences. In the time clock, you see running and upcoming shifts or people who are late. It's easy to clock in to the shift. Under the People tab, you can choose the person, where you have an overview of their schedule, timesheets, absences, and pay. Opening their profile, you see their information about contacts, employment, and qualifications. Under the More tab, you will find the settings where you can set your preferences exactly how you want. If something doesn't appear in the app, you can always resynchronize with PARiM. If you want, you can log out here. If you need, you will always find help from the support.parim.co page. Start your free trial or explore more at parim.co. Download PARiM mobile app from Google Play or the App Store.